What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the Goodwill. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. Alright, so first things first, I came to the toys and board games, and looking through I noticed something sealed up here. I thought maybe this was like a backgammon set or Chinese checkers, but when I pulled it down, it's Risk. This is cool. A massive brand new sealed tin of Risk from 2003. Take a look at that. That thing is awesome. $5. What a score. I'll pop the price up here so you guys can see. Used in collectible condition, it's selling for $65. The rank is a bit high, so it will take a little bit to sell. Mine is brand new, so I should be able to get a fair bit more. I checked eBay and I didn't see any brand new ones that actually sold. There's a couple listed for about $50 and up, so I think realistically that's what I can get for this, but for $5, that is a score going in the cart. Alright, moving down just a little bit more, I found another thing brand new sealed, and guys, I always recommend just scanning everything that you find that's sealed. You never know. This guy right here, it's just a basic puzzle. Pop the price up again for you. This is $3. It's selling for a bit more. I'll just over double my money. You could see the fee breakdown. I'm using the Amazon seller app to check all these prices. The rank is much faster selling on this item, so it should sell within a week or two. Maybe a little bit more, but not too bad. I'll make $4 profit, so it's more than a double up. We'll take it. Stick it in the cart. Alright, I'm down the bakeware aisle, and a few things caught my eye that I thought was pretty funny. We have this Garfield cake pan right here, and I sell Wilton cake pans all the time. We have a Mickey Mouse one right there, a whole bunch. And one thing, I think they were at a tag sale or a yard sale nearby. Look at these prices they were asking at the tag sale. $20. I thought maybe that meant 20 cents, but no, $20. Take a look at the Mickey Mouse one. $25 they were asking. Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on, let me get closer for you. $25 they were asking, which seems crazy, right? But Goodwill probably saw these stickers and $12. They're cutting them in half. Still really crazy. This little one right here, $8. But the ones without the tag sale stickers, like this Donald Duck right here, $2. Now they're super dirty, they're rusty, they're dented up. These are not going to be good buys, but yeah, Winnie the Pooh, $2. Oh, here's another one. This has a $15 tag sale sticker on it. I bet you they're pricing it high. I don't know why they're comparing with a tag sale price. Yeah, look at that. And there we go, $8. I don't know. I don't know. Pretty wild. I'm not paying that much. They're all really rusted and dirty, so we'll leave them all behind. I just thought that was kind of funny, but I do want to say I find it and sell these all the time. They sell for pretty good money. I mean, even at $8, it might not be bad if you could get, $25 out of it, but it's just the condition on these things. It's not coming up so good on the camera, but you could see the dents in it. There's like some big old dents in here. Each one is like that, so they're not going to be worth it at all. Here we go. This one is funny. Look at how small it is compared to my hand. It's like about the size of my hand. It's not at all a normal size cake pan. And that sale, wherever was selling it, was asking $25. Of course, it didn't sell. They donated it. Goodwill has it for $12. I mean, come on. These should be $1 or $2 all day. And again, perfect example. This one doesn't have a sales sticker on it, and it's only $2. I don't know what's going on there. It's just kind of funny to me. So they're all going to be left behind. All right, guys, here's something pretty cool. We have a laminator. Now, I've never sold a laminator, but I want to scan it in. The box looks really nice. It looks high-tech. It's got Insta-Heat, jam-free. I don't know what any of that is. And it is $12. Well, we scanned it in with the Amazon seller app. Has a great rank. Selling for $66. You'll make $44 minus your $12 buy cost. It's about a $32 to $33 profit, selling super fast. I love to see it. Now, it is a used electronics, so we have to make sure it's all in here, in good shape, and there's no way to test it, which is kind of a shame, but we have to make sure it has the power cord, and at least, you know, we got instructions. That's cool. Stick them up there. Oh, yeah, power cord's attached. Love to see that. And, yeah, I think that's pretty much all you need, right? Hopefully you don't need laminating paper. Hopefully it doesn't come with it normally. So we'll look into it a little bit, but it seems to be in okay condition. Let's close it all up and take a better look. So originally it just came with a starter kit that only had 10 pouches. So selling it used, that shouldn't be an issue. It's not like it came with 100 of them and you're selling them with none. So that shouldn't be too big of a deal. I think, yeah, you can easily get the $65. Let's see what it's selling for new and see if there's a massive difference there. All right, so there it is, used, $65, $66, and new, yeah, $84. Amazon's on it at $110. So yeah, people are definitely going to be paying $65 for this because they're saving a good amount and they can buy their own little plastic pouches. So cool, we'll grab it. So I was taking a look at some of the clothes and I found this cool Vineyard Vines Shark Week shirt. It is $10, which seems pretty expensive, but all blue tags are 50% off. So it's only $5. Now this only sells for about 20, maybe 25 if you're lucky from what I see on eBay. It's cool, but we're gonna leave it behind. There is something I'm gonna grab for myself though. It's a Southern Tide. I don't have any green shirts, I don't think. I mostly wear like this blue. I'm rocking a Savannah Bananas right now. But I love these long sleeve kind of comfort shirts. And Southern Tide's a pretty decent brand. It looks pretty cool. It's $5.49, half off. So it's only what, like $2.75? Pretty cheap. I will spend $2.75 on myself all day, every day, throwing it in the cart. And if I wanted to, I could probably sell it for about 20, 25 bucks. So we'll take it. So I thought just blue was 50% off, but taking a look right here, it's blue and green every Sunday and Monday. And today's Monday, so yeah, we have two colors that are 50% off. That's pretty nice. Not really seeing anything else in the clothing section that sparks my interest though, so we'll have to go check maybe the media, see what they got sitting over there with the DVDs and CDs, and maybe we'll find some home runs over there. We'll keep looking around the store though. Alright, so I just went through all the media which was down there. Wasn't really finding much, but we found one thing that makes it all worth it. Sing Along, Sesame Street. I always look up children's VHS tapes. These sometimes can go for crazy money, just like this one right here. $1, but it's half off since it's blue, so 50 cents. It doesn't get any better than that. The tape is in great clean condition. The tape itself, there's a little mark right there that can probably wipe right off. Take a look at this price, guys. $71.60. There's 3 people selling it. It has a bunch of reviews. It might not sell for $71. Even if I could get 50 for it, I'd be really happy. But I've sold VHS tapes for 40, 50, 60 bucks all the time. I know it sounds crazy. People are buying them. So I don't question it. I just buy and sell them. Why not? Oh no. Hey, good thing I had that shirt in there. It saved it. All right, guys, we are at another thrift store. Hopefully we find some cool stuff in here. If not, at least I found stuff at that first one. Maybe we'll get lucky in this one, though. Let's do it. All right, one of the first things I saw in here, 10 for $1. Dinosaurs. That is cool. Let's see if there's anything really awesome in here. This looks like it might be Jurassic Park, maybe? I don't know. His mouth opens. Oh, he's kind of falling apart. He's kind of splitting at the seams. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Unless he's supposed to come apart. I don't know. Do I see? This guy's a little soft. Now, I actually found some dinosaurs in an earlier video that were all from the 80s. I'll try to pop up some pictures here for you guys. And they were worth some pretty decent money. I don't see anything like that in here. This is mostly all smalls. Still, some cool stuff in here. Great for kids. Oh, look at that. This one says $3, but I'm sure it's 10 for $1. Look at that little guy. Little penguin. Yeah, nothing in here for me, but still pretty neat. Good deals. Rare to find at Goodwill, but we'll keep looking. All right, coming around the corner, I see a whole bunch of records over here. It looks like it's all classical. 50% off red at this Goodwill. And yeah, it's pretty much all classical stuff. Not going to be highly doubtful there's gonna be anything good in there. So we'll leave this section, but we'll still come check out the rest of the media around here. We got a whole bunch of DVDs, 2 sides loaded, got a whole bunch of CDs, and look at all the red. So all of this is 50% off. CDs are super cheap anyways. At my Goodwill's, $1, so 50 cents. That is a killer deal. DVDs are a little more. Let's see. Yeah, $2. So they're only $1, all the red ones. What do we have? We have 13 Reasons Why, Season 1. A whole TV show for $1 since it's half off. Like, that's a crazy good deal. This might be worth it for me to grab, actually. We'll stick that off to the side. Blu-rays are a little bit more. Like this Sully Blu-ray, $3, so it's only $1.50. Not bad. Here we go, Calamity Jane. There's some good stuff in here, actually. Let's see what else they got. Any other TV series? Oh, this is neat. We have a entire Harry Potter collection, years 1 through 6. So I don't think it's the entire collection. That's still cool. $5 though. Probably leave that behind. Yeah, we'll see. If I find anything, you guys will see it. All right, I got distracted from the media for a second for this $5 knife holder. Check that out. It'd be cool if you knew the correct size knives, but oh, it's even missing one of the plastic bits, so it's probably, you know, if you don't have the correct size knife, I don't think it'd really work. But this guy is really cool. Does it have a brand? It doesn't even have a brand, just made in Taiwan. But that's neat. I like that. Alright guys, so the 13 Reasons Why wasn't worth anything. The Calamity Jane, you can actually make a few bucks on it. I'm not going to grab it. It's maybe like $3-4, so I'm just going to leave it behind. But huge, massive score. This is so awesome. Nosferatu, the first vampire on DVD. I'd never heard of this, never seen it. It's $2. Take a look at this price online. On Amazon, there's one listed for $114. If you go back, the main listing is completely out of stock, and there's another listing with $130 starting price. This is a completely different movie. So yeah, about 113 to 130, and I thought I just hit the jackpot until I opened it up and it's the wrong movie in there. So potential $100 movie, now nothing. Keep an eye out for this. Nosferatu, the first vampire. Pretty crazy. Alright, I grabbed a few DVDs I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but turning right behind, there were a whole bunch of boots and shoes in it. Looked like a bunch of newer things that got donated. You got all different styles, all different nice dress shoes, running shoes, boots, and I actually found a few things for myself. Things that I could actually flip too, which is very surprising. Yeah, I never find that kind of stuff. I'll show you the first thing I got for myself. Perfect, they're brand new. They still have the tags, they're still connected. They have all the padding in there. Deer foams. These, I actually just bought a pair of these deer foams in a lighter color for myself. These are a men's 10, which is perfect, exactly my size, and they are, where's the price? $8. I'll pop the Amazon price up on the side here. Amazon has them on sale right now for $39, so about $40. They normally sell for about $50. I think I paid about $50 for mine, and $8, so I have a backup pair, but if I wanted to sell them, I could. And another thing I've been needing is some nice newer boots, and take a look at these LL Beans. They have a very minor wear, really nice. I believe it's all real leather, nice padded inserts there, and the price on them. And look at those soles. These things are clean. The price on these guys, $20. So I had to buy some boots semi recently, and they were pretty expensive. So definitely gonna grab these. Alright, so I am getting those for myself, and I forgot to show you guys the DVDs. I'll pop prices up. I got this Franklin DVD. Franklin stuff sells really well for me. This isn't a crazy home run or anything. It's $2. It's brand new sealed. You guys can see the price there. I'll make some money on it. Why not? Stick that down there. We also got Chris Body Live. I do pretty well with all these live concerts. This is an orchestra with special guests. I have no idea. Don't even know who Chris Body is, but it sells really well. It's brand new sealed for $2, but it is that red tag, so it's only $1. Pretty awesome. And then these, I've had so much luck selling these in the past. Mystery Science Theater, 3000. You got a whole set right there. I'll pop the price up on this one. This guy right here is missing one of the DVDs, but I'm probably going to grab it because I think it'll still be worth it. You guys can see the total price right there. And then the last one right here has all the DVDs in it. And these are all $5 each, and you guys see the price. These were totally worth it. At least a double up on each one of them. Very happy about that. I have found ones that sell for like $60, $70, $80. These ones aren't the crazy expensive ones, but still good money. We'll take them. Found something cool on the shelf. $3 for this Clack game right here. Never heard of it. Brand new sealed. I love that. The price right here, $15.99 after fees. Whoops. After fees, you make $8.84 minus the $3. What was that? $5.84 profit. After shipping into Amazon, it's probably $5 profit. Not bad. We'll snag that. I also notice these puzzle sets are brand new. There's 2 of them. So we'll scan them in and see. $5 for this one. Ooh, no barcode. We'll skip that one. So we'll try this Aztec Ghost Tower here. They're asking $3 on this one, not on Amazon. So we'll leave them. Why not? Oh man, we could have gotten firewood here. Oh, it's a whole bunch of fire starters for $8.
Oh.
That's actually not bad. They're asking $8 here for a half-filled box. Nobody's on the listing, so let's check eBay. See what it sells for. $48 for the whole box. It's missing about,
In a row.
I think a full row probably, yeah. Well, not even. A little less than a row. It's not bad for $8. Do we want them? Do we need fire starters?
Maybe just in case.
Right?
And go camping.